I was watching a video not too long ago on YouTube, and it was feeding time for this guy who owned a kennel. And he would not allow his dogs to have another meal unless they went to the restroom, unless they went to the potty, number one. They had to do number one before they got their next meal. How many of you guys are implementing that into your program, your daily program, when it comes to feeding your dogs? If a dog isn't pooping, if a dog is not urinating, there's a problem. And feeding a dog that's not going to the restroom, going to the bathroom, I would say it's kind of dangerous, because there's something going on. There's something going on with the dog's digestive system. Maybe the food is not agreeable to him, working a little bit too hard on the digestive system. Maybe you're feeding the dog too much. It's quite a bit of different variables that need to be considered. But most important thing is you gotta pay attention to it, right? If you're not paying attention to your program when it comes to feeding time, when it comes to bathroom time, your dog could be telling you something and you're not paying attention if it's not pooping, if it's not going to the bathroom. So my advice, walk your dogs. See, it all boils back to walking your dogs, and I know it seems kind of funny, but when you're walking your dogs, you got movement in the body, and it allows them to release, right? Their body works similar to ours, right? So walk your dogs, guys.